Hello family, it's AjiseGraphik here. Welcome us to another session of tutorial today. Okay, in this video tutorial I'm going to be walking us through the process of blurring images, icons and backgrounds, right? I'm going to be showing us using an app called Photoroom. So this is the app. It's available on Play Store, but I'm probably going to leave the one I use in the description below. So if you are new to this channel, I would like to smash the subscribe button and also share. Yeah, it's very important. You want to help your friends grow. Okay, so the first thing to do is you click on start from photo. So let's blur a background first. So once you tap, Photoroom helps you to remove the background first, but if it notices that that's a background, it's not going to do anything, right? So what you can do is just tap on this. Okay, sorry, confirm, right? So what you can do, you can either tap on transparent, or you can just come to blur directly and just work on this instantly, right? But let's just tap on blur. Let's tap on blur. Okay, so what we're going to do here is, now you have clothing and you have background. So because of this is the clothing, right? So you don't need the background, so just tap on clothing since that's what you are working on. Then go to, there are a lot of things you can do on Photoroom. There are a lot of things you can do, but in this tutorial we're just going to be learning how to blur. So just come to blur over here. So now you have different type of blur, right? You have different type of blur. So what you can do is, there's bokeh blur, Gaussian blur, motion blur, hexagon, square, box and disc. So it's depending on you. Majorly for background blurring, a lot of persons can use different things. Like bokeh blur can work perfectly if that's what, and the purpose of doing this, probably in one of my tutorial I'm going to use this blurred background to create something. Yeah, if you want the video you can just drop a link, a comment, yeah, on saying I want the video. So I'm just going to create something on how I used a blur images to create something unique. Okay, so moving on to the next. So you can work with your bokeh blur, but it's the blur size, the blur strength that matters, right? Look at this. This is the no, this is on 0. So now you can decide to increase and increase depending on what you want, right? Depending on what you want. So Gaussian blur too can give you what you want. Is depending on what you want, right? So for example, if you want to do a glass morphism effect, you can make use of the Gaussian blur, right? Probably I'm going to work on that tutorial very soon. So if you want to work on a glass morphism effect, you can use the Gaussian blur. And the motion blur, for example, I'm going to work on a motion blur now. So this is just basically it. So now I'm going to use an icon. So you see all those floating icons on the background, or designs, for example a birthday flyer, you see an emoji. I'm going to be working on that, but this time I'm just going to use a 3D icon. So for background blur, you can make use of either your bokeh or your Gaussian blur, right? Then this box blur, so you can make use of it depending on you, depending on what you want, depending on what works best at that time, right? So now let's just go straight to the next one. That is, let's pick another. I'm going to pick this icon. Yeah, so Photoroom scans the background to remove the image, remove the background. Yeah, so you can just tap on blur, just tap on transparent, right? And so if you tap on transparent, it removes the background for you. So just tap on graphics here. So just scroll down to where you have your blur over here. Now for this bokeh blur might not really work well if you want to use this. You see, it might not really give you that feel that you want, right? So what motion blur does is that, okay, now go to Gaussian blur. You can see Gaussian blur too. Okay, Gaussian blur too can give you what you want, but you can also, if you are very good in working on this, you can try it out and just play around it. But motion blur gives you that vibe of like, okay, something is moving. That is what motion blur does, right? So hexagon is just to create, like for example, you want to hide something. That is what this one can help you do, right? And the square also, it can help you in hiding, for example, so that someone will not know what you are working on, right? For example, if you want to hide stuff, okay, pick stuff, and you can just use this square or hexagon to do. So um the box too is also fair enough, and your digs. So this is majorly how to blur your icon. So for example, for this 3D icon that you see, but don't let it be too much, you get. So if you want to work on the motion blur, you can just make use of a blur of probably 40, right? You don't need to work on it, or like to increase the blur strength all the way so that it won't look distorted. So just work with 40 to 50, then just tap on this arrow icon here and to export. So read all this. It says options, Photoroom link if you want to collaborate with someone, if you want to share instantly. But just tap on this place here and press save to gallery. And once it shows this check mark, it has been saved. So that's basically how to do your blur on Photoroom, right? So that's the end on this tutorial. Thank you for staying to the end. God bless you. See you in the next video tutorial. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Thank you.